Today is our final day here in Alleppey. We've checked out of our rooms. Our buses for Bangalore is in the evening, and we have the entire day to ourselves to go ahead and explore the sights of Alleppey, and that's what we intend to do. Left. Starting off our day visit in Alleppey from Narikulam Beach, which is 30 minutes away from Alleppey, and then we'll come down to Alleppey Beach and see some churches on the way, go to the markets. That's what the plan is for today. So hopefully the rain gods stay away and we can get to see some nice sights of Alleppey today. Hopefully we'll have a nice day. Let's see. So we've kicked off Omnapuza beach from our bucket list. This is done. Actually, this is one of those beautiful fishermen villages where they can take you out for fishing if you pay them some time, if you can pay them some money. So I tried to negotiate with them, and they told me it's around 250 per person. They first told me 500, but again they were ready to take me in 250 itself. But they told me it's a very rough weather, it's at your own risk. So if you want to go there, it's at your own risk. So I said no, I'm okay, I don't want to take a risk, and I didn't go. But during the season when the sea is calm, probably you can try it out. Omnapuza beach, and this is Marari village resort here. And there are a line of resorts that I saw here, which is pretty beautiful because it's right across the beach. And it's pretty empty, it's not crowded, and hardly people know about it. And I'm so glad that I came here because I'm a beach person. And coming to all these resorts here, coming to these locations here, it really takes my breath away because it's clean, not overpopulated, and you can have a nice time just sitting down here and relaxing and seeing the sea. So put it on your bucket list once you come here.
मैं जा रहा हूँ।
हाँ ठीक है बेटा। Okay folks, hey, hi. Right now I'm at Murari Beach and I have Sebastian with me. Sebastian, yeah, Sebastian.
Yeah.
So Sebastian has a pretty nice bungalow, a villa or a homestay that you can call it, just next to the beach, Murari Beach. And as I showed you from above, the beach is awesome. And if somebody wants to go ahead and stay here, this is one of the most beautiful scenic locations that you can see. कौन सा ये नारियल है? ठीक है. और ये आपका रायता हो गया और टोमेटो. और वो मच्छी भी आपने फ्राई किया है.
कर ले.
ये ऑमलेट बनाया उन्होंने हमारे लिए. Okay, so you saw those fishermen fishing for these fishes in the sea when we were coming here. So Sebastian has done the courtesy to fry these fishes for us, and it looks yummy. I just requested those fishermen, you know, can you just give me a couple of fishes? I want to taste how it is, the fresh fish and stuff. And instead they give me 4 fishes. Yummy, yummy. आप जब भी आओ, please tell her in advance, she'll cook it for you. बहुत अच्छा है ना, Juliet? कर दोगे आप? कर दोगे. So we're done with a short sightseeing to Murari Beach. This actually had little small shacks. You can't even call them shacks. These are small huts which sell local items and fruits and vegetables and eatables. Otherwise, there's nothing much. You can't probably sit down and have some drinks or something. That's not available here. Maybe that's nice because the beach was very clean. It was very well maintained and very less people. Maybe it's the off season right now. That's why. But overall, I loved it. For a beach person like me, this was a real adventure. I got to do some fishing, caught some fishes, fried them, ate them. Back to Alleppey now. I'll show you where we head next. So this model of a houseboat is apparently 3,000 bucks, and they don't negotiate here. Okay, actually I really like this small elephant. Yeah, see. Apparently it costs 120 bucks. That's okay. I'm fine with it. So I have George with me. So George is the owner of Pulikari shop here in Alleppey.
And we have staff.
Okay, he's the staff here. He manages the entire shop, right?
Finishing point, you know, the main shop.
Okay.
But the MD is there.
Okay. Near Ramada Hotel. Okay. So their main shop is near Ramada Hotel. This is one smaller shop that they have. Sir, this everything is handmade?
Everything in wood item, all handmade.
Okay. But most popular item?
Most popular, Alleppey, house snake boat.
Snake boat. This one?
Snake boat. Snake boat.
Okay. Snake boat. This is apparently one of the most popular items sold here. Sir, how much cost for this? 1,650. Right now we are going through Mulakal Market. So Mulakal Market is the main market here in Alleppey. It's right on the center of the city. It's very popular and very easily can be found, and lots of items to be found there. I went to buy and purchase some handicrafts, but spices, clothes, anything that you want, this place is it. That's about it. So I think I've included all the information about this trip in my blog itself. In case there's anything else that you would like, drop in your queries in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. So any feedback is highly welcome, and if you did like my videos, you know what to do, right?
like, share and subscribe, because it's your support that keeps people like us going. And hopefully we'll see you soon on the next journey. So that's about it. See you. Bye. Take care.